How to send messages from a Facebook page using Meta Business Suite. Hello and welcome back. If you'd like to do so, you may follow up this method. So go to Meta Business Suite for that, which is business.facebook.com. And once you are there, you should be finding this particular section right here. So what you need to do is go to the inbox section. So in your left hand side, you will be finding a menu here. Look out for inbox option, open it up, and you will be finding all of your inbox within your page. So right now I have this and it has automatically replied. So if you'd like to set automations, you can even set up automations by clicking on automations and going on with the process to, instant reply. So you can just go ahead and do so. If not, if you'd like to manually, once you find the message in the section from your Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, or whatever, you can just go ahead and find the section called Reply in Messenger. So you can just go ahead and type in the message that you would like to reply. You can even attach something, add up a sticker, create order, and click on send. And once this is done, you can send using the Meta Business Suite itself. So if you'd also like to do so, you may follow up this process. So that's it for today's video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.